Hey guys, Thomas Dallin here with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm going to walk you through this beautiful Bennington 22M that just arrived. Great boat, guys. You'll see it's the black on black with the smooth black accent. It's got your docking lights and nav lights integrated in the side. Upgraded Bennington cleats, heavy duty rub rail. Let's take a look at the stern. You'll see this boat's got the fastback speakers located in the back. Guys, this is a full-size tritoon SPS package, 25-inch pontoon logs, full lifting strakes throughout the whole boat. Powered by the Mercury 200 V6. Got the new and improved lily pad ladder. Let's climb aboard and take a look at the inside. All right, guys, welcome aboard the 22M. You'll see that this is the swing-back layout with the side-by-side captain's chairs. Beautiful boat, guys. Has the Modesto upholstery with the espresso accents, diamond pressed. Plenty of cup holders throughout this whole boat, guys. Plenty of spots to hold your cell phone with USB ports. As you walk back here, you'll see that there's multiple cubby holes for holding gear on board. You've got an additional table right here, as well as your bow table. Taking a look at the helm, you'll see that this is the elevated helm. You've got your vivid screen right here front and center. You've got your nice soft touch pad for all your boat applications. Upgraded Rockford Fosgate stereo. Again, more cup holders, wireless charger located right there. Guys, swing back. Excellent for lounging in both directions. Guys, all Benningtons come standard with a 10-foot bimini top. We've got the Skeeter bar mounted on the structure of this boat, capable up to 1,500 pounds. What a great boat we have here. For more information, please give us a call or stop by our Greenville, South Carolina showroom. Thank you.